In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to look for Privacy section, and when you find it, click on it. Then tap on Permission Manager at the top and select one of your device's options, like Files and Media. Then pick one of your apps, in my case Photos, and tap on one of those options. Allow access to media only or deny. I will go with deny, so now in this case I can go back, and as you can see, Photos app no longer has access to files and media on my tablet. But if you want to, you can always go back, tap on any feature and then select an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to manage Chrome. Then click on See All Chrome permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!